Traditional 3D printing requires extensive support structures and shatters at the slightest touch. It's time to retire traditional 3D printers. Introducing Loopzizo K-100, bringing industrial-grade technology to your desktop. Ultra-compact body. No need for a professional industrial environment. Enclosed structure plus safety interlock. Laser remains shielded. Powder dust contained. Safe for both lab and home use. True SLS printing technology. Professional-grade laser probe, sintered powder layer by layer. Rather than bonding with adhesives, printed part structural strength and detail precision match industrial-grade SLS exactly. Complex cavities and moving joints require no supports. One-piece molding eliminates assembly. This is the core magic of SLS. 50 megapascal plus tensile strength, high temperature resistance, high strength, 0.1 millimeter precision, plus dual mode molding space. Meet diverse demands. Supports multiple materials including nylon 12 and TPU. One-click printing, no hassle. Post-processing requires only removing the parts and shaking off excess powder to complete the sandblasting process. Recyclable leftover powder, you control costs. The laser module is easy to replace. From maker spaces to small businesses. From labs to home studios. Loopzizo K-100. Make SLS technology accessible to everyone. Loopzizo, promoter of SLS technology.